David, you ready to come help me out with this? Come on. Let's go. Okay, people, I'm gonna finish tearing down this, well, I don't know what it's called. It's not an awning, it's not a roof. Right now, it's just 2x4s. So, got my ladder over here. I got all my parts that I tore off yesterday. I got my helper, David. Got my hammer, got my ladder. Got my dog over there. We're just gonna climb up here and see if I can make this easy. I'm gonna grab this, give it a rat-a-tat-tat. Just like that. Did I tell you I'm a poet? I am. In fact, I have a poetry book that I wrote for someone. But that's not going to work out, unfortunately. So, but they're for sale. $23 each. I'll go ahead and post it. I think I need to pick that up. Let's try picking that up and see if that works better. Oop. I should secure my ladder a little bit better, but it's kind of uneven down there. Let's see if that helped. See if that banged it loose enough. That sounded good. Well, maybe I just need to pull on it. Nope. Let's see here. Let's even this out a little bit. How's that? Okay. Of course, I have to keep my eye on Daisy periodically. You doing okay? Good, they're busy eating chicken poop. Cha-Cha's over there eating. Booyah! There we go. Ow! See that right there, those? That's not good. Yeah. I'll have to watch out for that. I'll go ahead and pull this one off. See if I can get that from here. Little backhand action. Oop! Oop! Missed it by a mile. Here we go. Booyah! Now I'm gonna have to just use the old claw here. Oh, bang it out of there. Booyah! Just has that one nail holding it. There, that should do it. Get that puppy in there. I had a friend. He died of liver cancer a long time ago. Like what he had was, he drank too much beer, people. Wrecked him. It's a long nail. Anyway, his dad was working on a ladder at his house, and apparently a woman walked by, which distracted him, and the ladder tipped over. He fell and broke his neck, killed him. So that reminds me that I always need to be careful. There we go. Oh, there's 2 nails. No wonder. I'd probably be able to just bang that one right off. What do you think? Let's try it. Stay in here, okay, Daisy? Oh, look, my shadow, so you'll be able to tell if I fall off. Or hit myself in the head with my hammer. That'd be a hell of a way to go, huh? How'd he die? Stupidity. I'll put it, there we go. Put it on my death certificate. Okay, let's see how easily I can watch it. How'd he hurt his toe? Stupidity. Let's do a little stabilizing here. See if that helped. Let's see this. This might loosen it up a little first. Maybe I can do something like move the ladder, and then maybe I can use it as a fulcrum. Maybe I need to bring it back this way some. Nope. See, now here's what I have to be careful that I don't knock that sucker off and end up letting it bust through the window. Because that would be bad. Let's see. How'd you break the window? Stupidity. Stupidity covers a lot. See this right here? This used to, no, down here, used to say, do not stand on or above this step, but since it doesn't say that, apparently it's okay. So this is going to be a problem, I think, for me.